how to use Jira. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can use Jira, which is the #1 project management tool used by agile teams. So firstly, come on to altasian.com/Jira software, and after that click on continue with Google or sign up with your email. So I'm going to continue with Google, and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So once you guys have signed up, it is going to ask you what type of team do you want to work for. So I'm going to choose customer finance, and then after that it's also going to ask you what are your main tasks. So after that click on next, and then now your site is gonna start up, and then after a few seconds your website is gonna be ready for you guys to use. And now you will have the option to create your first project. So I'm gonna create my first project. I'm gonna click on create project, and now I can invite my team members if I want to. For now I'm gonna click on continue. I'm not gonna invite anyone so as to not waste your time. So once it opens up, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. You guys can create a card over here, and then after that you guys can simply click on that card. You guys can put in details, you guys can put in a title, you guys can also attach files with this particular card. You guys can also assign this to anyone you want to, and then once this particular task is done, you guys can move it across to track progress. Then on the left side you guys can also view your calendar to see if you've done everything. And then below that you guys have the option to view your timeline to see everything that you've done so far in the span of months, years, or days. Then you guys can also see all the issues that might have come up that your team must have marked, and then similarly you guys have many more options. So guys, this is how easy it is to use Jira. I mean, at the end you guys have the option to view your reports as well, but these options work once you have been using Jira for like 1, 2, or 3 weeks or more. So guys, this is how you guys can use Jira, and on their summary page you guys can view everything: your priority breakdown, your status overview, and also all the tasks that you've done so far and everything else. Also your team workload too once you have more people in your team. So guys, this was the video. You guys can also add in applications on Jira as well by simply clicking on explore more apps, and you guys can add in various different apps like Slack or many different apps. You guys can also invite people. You guys can also have various different dashboards to view your various different projects in one software. You guys can also apply filters as well. So guys, this was the video, and this is the free version of Jira. Jira has also paid versions as well, but we're not gonna be focusing on those for now. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.